want more from your Chromecast. Stay tuned, as today's tutorial will expand your viewing horizons effortlessly. First step, grab your smartphone and make sure your Chromecast is connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. Now open your App Store, search for an IPTV player app compatible with Chromecast. For this tutorial, we'll use VLC. Download and install it. Speed matters here, as you don't want any delays in your streaming experience. Next, open the VLC app. We'll need to adjust a couple of settings to enable easy casting to Chromecast. Navigate to Settings, then Stream Options, and ensure that Chromecast display is enabled for casting content. Time to add your IPTV link. Visit 2tv.store for the best IPTV provider and get a streaming link to input. Copy the link, return to VLC, navigate to Network Stream option, and paste the link there. Click Play. Notice how the live channel list appears. Let's ensure it casts smoothly to the big screen. Select Chromecast from the casting options. Within moments, enjoy the live stream on your TV effortlessly. That's it. Now you've unlocked limitless entertainment possibilities with Chromecast and IPTV. Time to binge watch.